Now let's solve this problem. 2 secant square theta minus secant to the power of 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus cosecant to the power of 4 theta is equal to cot to the power of 4 theta minus tan to the power of 4 theta. In this problem, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. First, let me write down the LHS. Solution. LHS is what? 2 secant square theta minus secant to the power of 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus cosecant to the power of 4 theta. Okay. Now, this secant to the power of 4 theta. Look at this. 2 secant square theta I will write as it is. Minus secant to the power of 4 theta, I can write it as secant square theta the whole square. Secant square theta the whole square. Okay. Now, minus 2 cosecant square theta plus cosecant to the power of 4 theta, I can write it as cosecant square theta the whole square. Right? Now, we know the trigonometric identity. That is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And we know another trigonometric identity. That is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Okay. Now, look at this. For this 2, I will write as it is. 2 secant square theta. I can write it as 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. This secant square theta, I will write it as 1 plus tan square theta. Minus this secant square theta, again I will write it as 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. 1 plus tan square theta. Now look at this. Secant square theta I have written as 1 plus tan square theta. Then whole square minus 2 into this cosecant square theta, I will write it as 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Then plus this cosecant square theta, I will write it as 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta and the whole square. Okay. Now, multiply this one. 2 into 1 is what? 2. Plus 2 into tan square theta is what? 2 tan square theta. For this minus, let me write the minus. Now, let me write the bracket. Now look at this. 1 plus tan square theta the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. Right? A plus b the whole square means what? We know the formula. That is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Here we have 1 plus tan square theta the whole square. That is 1 plus tan square theta the whole square is equal to a square. Means what? In the place of a we have 1. Then it will become 1 the whole square. Nothing but 1 plus. Now look at this b carefully. In the place of b we have tan square theta. In the place of b, we have tan square theta. Therefore, it will become what? Tan square theta the whole square. Tan square theta the whole square plus 2 into a means what? 1, 2 into 1 into b. b means tan square theta. Okay. Then what it will become? 1 plus tan square theta the whole square is equal to 1 tan square theta, the whole square is what? Tan to the power of 4 theta plus 2 into tan square theta, that is 2 tan square theta. Okay. Therefore, this 1 plus tan square theta the whole square, I can write it as 1 plus tan to the power of 4 theta plus 2 tan square theta. Okay. Minus, say 2 into 1 is what? 2. Now let me take this in the bracket because here we have minus. 2 into 1 is 2. Then 2 into cot square theta. You can do directly. Then look at this. 1 plus cot square theta the whole square. Again this is in the form of a plus b the whole square, right? A plus b the whole square. We know the formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here we have 1 plus cot square theta the whole square. 1 plus cot square theta the whole square. In the place of a, we have 1. 1 square is nothing but 1. B square. B square means what it will become? Cot square theta the whole square. Right? Cot square theta the whole square plus 2 into a into b. That is 2 into a means we have 1 into b. B means what? Cot square theta. That is 1 plus cot square theta the whole square is equal to what? 1 plus cot to the power of 4 theta plus 2 cot square theta. Okay. Therefore, this 1 plus cot square theta the whole square, I can write it as 1 plus cot to the power of 4 theta plus 2 cot square theta. I am going to rub this. If you want, you can copy down. Plus 1 plus cot square theta the whole square, I can write it as 1 plus cot to the power of 4 theta plus 2 cot square theta. Okay. Now, let's simplify. 2 plus 2 tan square theta minus into plus is minus 1, minus into plus is minus tan to the power of 4 theta, then minus into plus is minus 2 tan square theta, minus into plus is minus 2, minus into plus is minus 2 cot square theta, then plus into plus is plus 1 plus cot to the power of 4 theta plus 2 cot square theta. Okay. Now look at this. This plus 2 and minus 2, they will get cancelled. Okay. Plus 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta, it will get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1, it will get cancelled. Then minus 2 cot square theta plus 2 cot square theta, it will get cancelled. Okay. What is left? Minus tan to the power of 4 theta plus cot to the power of 4 theta. This one I can write it as cot to the power of 4 theta minus tan to the power of 4 theta. This is what our RHS. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.